Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Black Sportive 1.6 Cdti needs turbo 91 km Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 91,947. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6120 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. The turbo is not spinning at all. Engine and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664.